Hello friends, this video's content is Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. In a previous video, we saw about motivation. Okay, and in that motivation theory, we saw that as a part of directing, every manager has to keep motivating his employees or her employees. Now, how to motivate the employees? There are many ways. One such theory of human motivation was presented by a well-known psychologist called Abraham Maslow in 1943 while presenting papers on human motivation or principles of human motivation. So this particular theory can be helpful to managers while motivating his or her subordinates or employees or staff. According to Abraham Maslow, various levels of human wants or human needs can be presented in 5 different levels, and it is best presented in a pyramidal form or a triangular form, in which first or primary needs are, first level of needs, human needs, are physiological need. We call it physical needs also, primary needs also. Second level of needs, human needs, are safety needs. Third level of human needs are social needs. Fourth is esteem or status or position needs. And fifth is self-actualization or self-realization needs. First 3 level of needs are also called lower level of needs. And the top 2 levels of human wants as per Abraham Maslow are higher needs or position needs. Let's begin with first level of human wants as per Abraham Maslow's pyramid of human wants or human needs is physiological needs or physical needs. According to Abraham Maslow, every human being first in his or her life, when he or she starts career or job or work of any kind, be it a job, business or profession, tries to fulfill his and his family's physiological needs or physical needs. We call them food, clothing and shelter. Nowadays, education, health, etc. are also included in primary needs. But basically, in physical needs, we include food, clothing and shelter. Are the first primary wants of any human being. And every human being in life first try to fulfill and satisfy these needs. The manager has to ensure that these needs of the employees or staff are satisfied satisfactorily. Number 2, safety needs. According to Abraham Maslow, as per this sequence, hierarchy means sequence, order. Once first level of needs, primary needs are fulfilled, a human being tries to satisfy another level of needs. And that way a manager can, superior can keep motivating his subordinates in the organization by becoming helpful in satisfying one after the other level of needs of the employees. Second level is safety needs. By safety we mean financial safety, social safety, we mean job security, right? And that's why after satisfying basic needs, a person tries to ensure permanent job security. After that, he or she, means employee, takes insurance cover of multiple types. Health insurance, life insurance, right? Term policies, endowment policies, various types of insurance safety is also the need of a human being. Employee tries to take various insurance covers for self and family. Even a company can provide, means an organization can also provide insurance cover of various types to employees to keep motivating the employees. After satisfying first 2 level of needs, a person still can be motivated by helping him or her in satisfying social needs. Human being is a social animal, we all know that. And being a social animal, There are social needs of a human being. A person, an employee, needs respect, love from family members, from friends, from colleagues, from relatives, from the society at large. Right? And at this particular stage, a human tries to satisfy, a human being, an employee, a person tries to satisfy social needs in life or career. After satisfying lower level of first three lower level of needs, the fourth level in the hierarchy or sequence or chronology or order that comes is esteem needs or status needs. Right? By esteem or status, we mean dignity, we mean respect. Right? Here, a person tries to establish position. Right? And in this particular level of need, we can include promotion of an employee. When an employee gets promotion, his esteem and status is satisfied or increases. When, for example, a supervisor becomes officer, an officer becomes manager, a manager, departmental manager becomes CEO, Chief Executive Officer or General Manager. All are included examples of esteem, status and position needs. Right? Here, dignity and position, and that matters at this particular stage of human wants. And after satisfying first four level of human wants, a person tries to satisfy fifth level, the last, the peak in the pyramid is, pyramid of hierarchy of human wants is self-actualization or self-realization need. At this level of human wants, which is the topmost position, a person believes that a man should be what he can or what she can. A man tries to reach his or her full potential. Right? And a person tries at this position, at this level, to establish himself or herself to such a position which becomes an example for others for time to come. Right? Or for future to come. यहाँ इंसान ऐसी कोशिश करता है ये मकाम पर पहुंच के लाइफ के कैरियर के कि वो ऐसी पोजीशन बनाना चाहता है, ऐसा नेम एंड फेम बनाना चाहता है अपने फील्ड में कि लोग उनको आने वाले वक्त के लिए याद रखें. राइट? एंड उसके लिए इंसान स्ट्रगल करता है, कोशिश करता है, दिन रात एक करता है और मेहनत करता है. राइट? यानी मोटिवेटेड रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसके सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड्स के कुछ एग्जाम्पल में अमिताभ बच्चन फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द फील्ड ऑफ एक्टिंग. राइट? लता मंगेशकर in the field of singing and music, Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni in the field of cricket. Right? In tabla playing, for example, Zakir Hussain. ऐसे कुछ इंसान, कुछ लोग ऐसे पीक्स टच करते हैं कैरियर में कि that becomes an examples, it becomes exemplary, an example for others to follow. हर नया ये फील्ड में आने वाला हर नया एंट्री लेने वाला पर्सन वो मकाम पर पहुंचने का सपना देखता है, वहां ये लोग पहुंच के दिखाते हैं. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड सेटिस्फाई करने वाले लोग. राइट? एंड दैट इज हाउ वी कैन कीप मोटिवेटिंग आवर एम्प्लॉइज, स्टाफ and subordinates by helping them in satisfying various levels of human wants shown by Abraham Maslow, and that is how Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory or knowledge can be helpful in motivation and in the field of management also.